Hey, what's up everyone? This is Baljit from JK. Welcome on my channel. Today I'm going to make a video about this subcompact little tractor BX2680 and BX series 2680 is the biggest engine heavy. There is two more model, BX1880, which one they say like about 18 horsepower, and BX2380, I believe that one have like 23 horsepower. This one 24 or 25 horsepower. Actually they are using same engine, but I believe a little bit bigger cylinders or a little bit more torque. This is the biggest tractor and subcompact. Small tractor, but it worked great. It have a lot of power and many functions, many attachments you can do it. I was doing research from long time to buy, and there's when you go online and internet thing, it will, I believe it will confuse you more. If you go to buy, you have a little bit of difficulty to buy because there's a lot of options and you start choosing what you do. So but I bought this tractor, bed these desks, because I have this field in my backyard and this kind of like weed. I tried a lot of things, it was not helping me to take it down, so I'm using tractor. If I have not any future plan like I'm not gonna put anything else, then I can use some kind of a spray. I can cure my whole backyard, but I have a lot of planning. I'm going to put some grass, some fruit trees, so I don't want to be do that one with my ground or my field, so in my backyard. So later, like say here, I have some spinach, cilantro and other stuff in boxes, but as I have a tractor, I'm gonna put some over here, some fruit trees. But now let's go back to the tractor. This everything it done one time. I have one pass already. It took me 1 hour 10 minutes, and I was running at almost 2200 RPM at low speed 4x4, and it didn't even feel it. So it was running really great. I believe I have to do couple passes for first time, then I'm gonna use a box scraper or something to flat it, then I will keep clean. So this tractor is 4-wheel drive, automatic, and also have a cruise control, which one my daughter was using. She was really happy. She want to drive this tractor, and I believe half of she took care already. I made a video when she was driving tractor. I will also add in this video, I will add some clip, because you don't have to do nothing. You just need to sit down, put on cruise control, and that's it. Once you're done, and it's power steering, you even don't feel it. So this is just a quick video about like how this is look like. If I go here, it's about, I think it's a 4 foot high small tractor, and pretty good, awesome job at the first day. I have a full tank, and I believe it just full tank. I'm not sure how many gallons in the tank, but it just took quarter tank empty already. It's not empty, I mean like, I don't know, I have a 3/4 left inside. So let's see how many passes I can do with one full tank. I think it's a 5 gallon already, because I have a 5 gallon is a little bit left behind. I have to add weight right now because I don't have a loader at the front, and when I put those discs, if I have a using 3-point left to pick it up, my tractor was getting picked up. That was a deal from the guy who sold me tractor, and he added this weight for free because he have a order loader for me, and when I'm gonna get the loader, I'm gonna give this one back to him, and I will put loader, then I don't need a weight because tractor have a little weight on the loader so far. And I will also put some video like how it works, and later, since I'm using today, I'm trying to understand all the controls. I believe the next video I will also put all the controls. I like 90% already know all the controls, but I'm still working on it. So I will make another video about all the controls, because I tried to find a lot of videos, but I couldn't find exactly people explaining about each control, like what it does. So far right now, that's all. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. I'm going to add a lot of video about this tractor, as I will be busy on my backyard. I have no other projects right now. We're gonna be working on a field like for a couple of weeks until it clean up, so I will making video. Thank you for watching. If you consider, please subscribe my channel, like, share, comment. Thank you for watching. Meet you in next video with a new topic.